best toilet flush valves. The review mission is to help you buy the best stuff and get the most out of what you already own. Our team of product experts thoroughly vet every product we recommend to help you cut through the clutter and find what you need. Please join my channel for more video reviews. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Korky 528 Toilet Fill Valve. If you have a Toto toilet and you are experiencing tank fill valve issues, here is a product that can solve that problem for you. With this valve, you can easily handle the toilet noise problems without any hassle. We loved that this one is compliant with all underground storage tank valve regulation standards. The valve has been made to control and limit water consumption. It has been made with a durable construction that will prevent the leakage of your toilet tank. So yes, it will serve you for a long time without breaking down or wearing out too quickly. We noticed the quietness of this valve compared to other units out there. In other words, you will not have to worry about the annoying refilling noise as you enjoy your time in the toilet. Concerning the installation of the valve, you won't need a single tool to set it up. It comes with the twist lock technology that allows you to install the valve in a few minutes. Pros: twist lock technology allows you to install the valve easily. Height is adjustable from 7.5 inches to 13 inches. Compatible with most toilet tank brands. Cons: it doesn't come cheaply. Number 2. Korky 818 BP QuietFILL Universal Toilet Fill Valve. This might be the last product on the list, but it doesn't make it the least favorable. It also falls under the Universal Toilet Fill Valve. But what makes it stand out above most units is the fact that it is made to last for long. Furthermore, the fill valve comes with multiple parts and accessories that let you install it with minimal hassle. In just 5 minutes, this valve will be up and ready to use. You won't need to purchase a special tool to install this valve. Whether you want to replace your fill valve or flapper, this kit will be enough to help you with that. The valve can work with all the 2-piece and 1-piece toilets. What's more to love about this valve? Well, it is designed to be chlorine, rust, and also bacteria resistant. This is another factor that makes it extra durable. Pros: easy to install in just 10 minutes. No tools needed to install. Rust, corrosion, and bacteria resistant. Cons: won't work well with Gerber toilets. Number 3. Toto 299A.X Universal Fill Valve Assembly. Our third product on the list is this replacement fill valve that would be the best pick for any Toto toilet tank. This valve will solve the leaky toilet issue with perfection. It features the Eco Power technology that allows it to generate hydropower on its own. With this valve, you can easily control the flow of water in the tank. The valve comes with the standard 7/8-inch inlet connection that will give you an easy time when installing it. Even better, you will enjoy an easy and DIY installation when working with this unit. It can help you reset your tank back to the optimal performance in just a few minutes. One fantastic aspect of this valve is the Hydrotect technology. This feature will stir the dirt that piles up in the toilet tank. As a result, it helps to cut down pollution naturally and more efficiently. You can also use this valve for your 2-piece toilet without a problem. Pros: the height is adjustable to fit your toilet tank accordingly. Works for all Toto toilet tanks. The plastic construction is very sturdy. Cons: the refilling speed is not consistent. Number 4. Fluidmaster 555 CRP8 Universal PerforMAX. Not every flush valve problem requires replacing the valve. So if your standard flush valve loses the flapper or the hinge pieces break off the overflow tube, you can try to get your toilet functioning again with this Fluidmaster valve. It features a durable ABS plastic seat and a rubber flapper designed to last and defer leaks. Rather than the overflow tube, seat, seal, and nut typically sold with a replacement flush valve, this kit has a flat base with an adhesive back that sticks to the existing flush valve seat at a slight angle so the overflow tube won't interfere with the hinge. The attached flapper can then be connected by the chain to the existing overflow tube to restore toilet function. Pros: ABS plastic rubber flapper and seat for durability. Flat base with adhesive back for effectiveness. Corrosion resistant. Cons: comes with the flush valve only. Number 5. American Standard 7381125-400.0070A. Here is another option to consider if you want a durable fill valve for your toilet tank. Besides being a durable valve, this fella is also quite efficient. Setting up this valve is easy, which would take around 10 minutes to hook it to your toilet tank. The best part is that it comes with all the needed accessories to install it. This one features a universal mount that lets you hook it up to almost any toilet tank out there. Compared to most toilet fill valves out there, this one comes at a slightly higher price point. But we thought it was worth every penny. The height can be adjusted to suit the size of your tank. Besides that, you can choose how you wish to use the water, and if you want to be conservative, you can go with this one if you want to regulate the water level and solve the noise problem. If you always experience water leaking from your toilet tank, this valve can solve that for you. Pros: a universal valve that will fit in most tanks. Height and water inlet width are adjustable. Strong plastic construction makes it durable enough. Cons: costlier than most units.